Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared broccoli and cauliflower tandoori. This is excellent starter or it can be served as a side dish for biryanis, parathas. It is very nice and tasty, and this dish is also diabetic friendly. So let's look into all the ingredients required for this recipe and get started. Here I've already prepped the broccoli and cauliflower florets. It's thoroughly washed and then I've placed it in some salt water and washed it with some lukewarm water. This way of cleaning is to remove all the pesticides and all the bugs if there is any in the cauliflower and in the broccoli. Now I'll be using ginger and garlic paste for this recipe. Please prepare that ahead of time and also prep your cauliflower and broccoli ahead of time. Now in a mixing bowl, we'll start adding all the ingredients and start marinating the broccoli and cauliflower. Here in the mixing bowl, I've added Kashmiri red chili powder, spicy chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, tandoori chicken masala, ginger and garlic paste, lime juice and fresh yogurt. Now I'll also be adding salt. If you are diet conscious and you want to switch the salt to pink salt, please use pink salt. Combine all the ingredients into a smooth paste and also add some mustard oil. Now I'll be adding the broccoli and cauliflower. Mix it in the marination, cover it and allow it to marinate for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm just going to skewer the broccoli and cauliflower. And I've also placed a tawa on medium flame. You can bake this cauliflower and broccoli. You can air fry it. You can also grill this on charcoal. Now once my tawa has heated well, I've added very less oil, approximately 2 teaspoons of oil. I'll place my broccoli and cauliflower skewers on the tawa and fry it for a minute on each side. After a minute, I'll flip it and fry it to the other side. Once the broccoli and cauliflower is cooked well, I fried it for almost 5 minutes. Once the broccoli and cauliflower is cooked, you can remove the skewers and fry it all sides. If you're doing this on the grill, you can remove it from the grill and serve it. So I'm preparing this on the tawa. I have to fry it all sides. And after 5 minutes, my tandoori broccoli and cauliflower is ready. I'll be serving this on a serving plate. All the ingredients used in this recipe along with a detailed blog post, the blog post link and my social media handles, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter will be listed in the description box below this video friends. I've served my tandoori broccoli and cauliflower. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.